the students who are studying grammar, for the students who are trying to learn communicative skills. Today we are going to see this in simple terms so that you can understand it clearly. Okay. First of all, there are four aspects for each tenses. So there are 12 tenses. Okay. For present tense, we are going to see about the simple tense, the simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous. Let's start with simple. Before getting into this, we have to learn about something. So the thing is, we have to consider which one is singular and which one is plural. For the subject, if it is singular, we have to use a different kind of verb, and if it is a plural, we have to use another kind of verb. Although the words doesn't change, we change the base form of the verb. So let us consider. For I, although it is a singular noun, although it is used for singular noun, we are going to use the plural form of the verb with I. And for all other plural nouns as well as we, you, they, all these subjects, we are going to use verb in the plural form. And for others like he, she, it and singular noun, we are going to use verb in singular form. Okay. So let's get into the lesson. So for simple tense, we use simple tense in situations like where someone is talking about facts, universal truth, or a regular everyday activity. We use simple present tense. The formula for simple present tense is subject plus V1 form of the verb. That is the base form of the verb. If the subject is singular, we use verb in its base form. If the subject is in plural, the formula for simple tense is if the subject is singular, we use verb plus s, and if the subject is plural, we use the verb in its base form. Let us see this with an example. He eats apple every day. Actually, this is an everyday activity. It's a regular activity. Although you can miss it for a day or two, but you are doing it for every day. So it is a regular activity. So we use simple present tense here. See here that he is a singular noun. So we use the verb with base verb e plus s. Okay. So this is how we use simple present tense. Let us see next another example. I eat apple every day. Okay. For this, we have already discussed I should be used with plural noun and we, you, they. It is considered one among them. So although it is a singular, it is considered like that. So we have this example. I eat apple every day. So next move on to continuous, present continuous tense. For this, the formula is subject plus V1 form of the verb, that is the base form of the verb plus ing. So present continuous tense is basically used for places that where a process is being continued for a long period, like something is happening at this moment or some process is going on for a period of time. For example, I am teaching, you are listening. This process is going on at this moment. So we are using present continuous tense. And for some processes like that's going on for some period of time, like a project going on, a building is being built, these also considered as present continuous tense. Although the process might not be going on at that time. Maybe the project people who are doing that project might be not working on some other project. Still, the process would be continued for another 60 to 70 days or 6 to 7 months. So, the process that is still going on could be also considered as present continuous tense. So, we use the example, they are building the house. Although they are not working on it right now, they are building the house. We can use it like that.